Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to pump up an inflatable mattress without an air pump. This will be an easy tutorial but also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this inflatable air mattress and I'm going to show you how to pump up something like this without an air pump. There are a couple of ways that you can do this, okay? So the first way is if you have a manual air pump installed on the inflatable air mattress. I actually got this on sale, and one of the reasons that I got it is because it has this manual air pump and it just allows you to use it anywhere, even if you don't have an air pump. So if you ever need to bring this around with you and you're going somewhere where there's no electricity or you just don't have an air pump with you, you can use the manual one. Now it's very easy. It's just basically like a pumpable chamber in here that allows you to transfer the air from the atmosphere into the inflatable mattress. So what you're going to do in this case, most of them are going to be very similar. You're going to unscrew the cap, okay? Unscrew the cap. This allows the air to not escape, and it doesn't continually pump open and close. And then you're going to remove this cap. Basically, you want access to the chamber, okay? And what you're going to do is air is in the chamber right now. I'm going to cover that hole with my palm and push down, okay? And what that does is that actually sends air into the air mattress. When I release my palm, it fills the chamber back up with air. And if I cover that hole, I'm covering that whole entirety of the hole with my palm and I push down, it now pushes air into the mattress. Now air filled the chamber, we transferred it into the mattress. Just like that. So essentially, we're just doing that and we're pumping up the air mattress, which is kind of cool. It's really, really convenient. And I actually, even though I have a pretty good air pump in the garage, I have like a battery powered air pump in the garage so I can use it anywhere, anytime. And the battery charge lasts a really long time. It's a Ryobi model. So it's a Ryobi brand high pressure air pump, I believe it's called. Air inflator or something like that. It's fantastic, but I end up just pumping it up like this anyways. It's faster. It's not faster, but it's fast, it's easy, and I don't have to get any of my tools. And it's very quiet because the air pump can be quite loud. This is just very, very quiet. So if I'm inflating this at night for whatever reason, I can just do it quietly, okay? Whenever you're done doing that, you can put the cap back on. And then the twistable cap as well. So that's the first way. And you can also do that with your foot. You can use your foot to do that as long as you're coordinated enough to cover the hole. Now the second way is actually using, if there's no manual air pump, you can actually pump one of these things up just by blowing it with your breath. Similar to how you'd blow up a balloon. It will take you a while and it will take a lot of breath, and I would recommend doing it in separate sessions. Don't try and do it all at once. But it's really simple. You want to find access to where you would pump it up with the air pump. So right here is literally the spot where you would plug in the air pump to, okay? It's basically an opening. It's a direct opening to the inside of the air mattress. What I'm going to do is I'll place my camera down over here, okay? And let's just angle it downward just like that. And I will now show you what I'm going to do. So essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. So in this case, there are two little chambers. There's a first one like this, and then there's a second one that opens up as well. Now when I open the second one up, it's going to just have free access to the air inside. So I want to immediately start blowing air into it to allow myself to not let air escape. Okay, so what I'll do is I will actually angle the camera up towards me. Let's just give me a second here. I'm just going to angle it up towards me. So let's adjust like that, and you can see what I'm going to do now. Okay, let's make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, so now essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to immediately start blowing air in there. Now, I'm going to close this up for a moment while I speak. Essentially, that's like inflating a big balloon. And I would just keep doing that over and over again, and we would fill it up. Now, like I said, I would recommend that you do it in different intervals, like you do it in different sessions. Take your time. There's no rush. You know, do it nice and slowly so you don't like run out of, like, you don't like start panting or anything like that. And yeah, you'll be good to go. That's how to inflate an inflatable air bed or pump up an inflatable air mattress if you don't actually have a pump with you. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.